Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers and 2D shapes: black color, blue color, red color, green color. The next one is yellow color, and the last one is white color. First we draw A. Now we use black color. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Now we use the color of blue. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. Now we draw numbers. First we draw the number of 1. And the next one is 2. Now we draw the number of 3. Kids, now we use the color of red. Red color. And now we draw 3. The next one is 4. Now we draw 5. The number of 5. Kids, now we draw 2D shapes. First we draw triangle. And the next one is circle. We again use red color and now we draw circle. The next one is heart. The shape of heart. Now we use the color of green. Now we use green color. The shape of star. And the next one is pentagon. The last one is square. Kids, today we draw 2D shapes, numbers and alphabet. Thank you so much for watching.